How to enable email notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable email notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here we'll find profile. Click on it, and then click the storylines in the top corner, and here we'll find settings and privacy. Click on it, and then scroll down. Here we'll find this one, push notifications. Click on it and then scroll down until you find email notifications. Click on it and turn all email notifications on, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.